Hi, this is Abid. Welcome to our YouTube channel GMAT and GR Instructor. In our today's video, we will talk about a very important topic of GMAT, which is critical reasoning. So many students who are interested to take for GMAT, they personally find the critical reasoning section a very critical one. So I'll just try to help you that how you just can find critical reasoning much more easier. So the fact is that if you go to London anytime to work or to travel, you will find a very common phrase which is mind the gap. So what it means is and you will find it very much common in GMAT critical reasoning section. And mind the gap, this phrase can be a very important key for you to be successful in critical reasoning section. So the fact is that you have to find out where is the gap. So if you can mind the gap, then you can easily give your best performance in critical reasoning section. So now let me give you an example to make it much more easier for you. So here there is a valid logic, which is all men are mortal. Socrates is a man, therefore Socrates is mortal. So it is valid logic. Now why it is valid? Since all men are mortal and Socrates is a man, so Socrates has to die. So Socrates is mortal. Now the fact is that if I say that Socrates is a dog, therefore Socrates is mortal. Now if it is the logic that all men are mortal, Socrates is a dog, therefore Socrates is mortal. Now it is called invalid logic. Now question is that why this is invalid logic? Because dog is not equal to Socrates. Since dog is not equal to Socrates, that's why this is invalid. Now this is how you have to find the gap in the critical reasoning question. If you can find it, then you can correctly answer your question and you can boast about your score. Now let's see with another example what it says. Here we have another sentence that the unemployment rate has dropped, therefore fewer people are unemployed. Now it is the logic. Now again this is invalid. Why this is invalid? Because the unemployment rate is not equal to the number of people. Now you can make the mistake by thinking that this is a valid logic. Why? Because unemployment rate is the number of people, but unemployment rate is never equal to the number of people. So you never can say since there is a drop of unemployment rate, that's why fewer people are unemployed. You never can say that, because this is the rate and this is the number of people. So my point is, if you can find out in this way where is the gap, if you can minding the gap, you can easily come up with a much more better score in GMAT. So thank you very much for watching our video. Hopefully you will be benefited, and if you have any question regarding critical reasoning section, put it in our comment section. We will try to give you the best reply. Thank you very much.